Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Discord soundboard not showing up in your Discord server. So the first thing what you need to do here, if you do not see soundboard option on server settings here, as you can see here, the first thing what you need to do here, you need to completely shut down basically Discord on your task manager. And as you can see here, there is no Discord here, and on this system tray here as well, right? Should be no Discord here. And once you do that, then you need to just press Windows and key, and you just need to write %sign app data %sign. Press OK, and once you're on this window here, you need to locate the Discord folder here and delete this folder. And after you do that, then you need to go back to the browser, go to discord.com and download Discord. If you're using Windows, you can download for Windows, Linux or Mac. It's basically up to you what device you're using. And once you do that, then you need to go back to Discord. And as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds. And after you go back on Discord, I will show you another thing that you need to do here. Then you need to go to your user settings, and then you need to go to game overlay. Make sure that you enable the game overlay. And once you do that, then you need to go back to your server, and then you need to go to and press on server settings, and then you need to go to Soundboard. And you can upload up to 8 basically soundboards here. So you need to choose a file. As you can see here, file should be 512 kilobytes and up to 5 seconds, and make sure you upload MP3 file, and then you can give it a name and emoji, and it should work. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.